Select a new layer, go to our brush panel, select a monoline brush, and I am just going to select both of those layers only and export it as a PNG. Okay, that's what I'm going to do for all of these three layers: the second layer, the middle layer, and the first layer. So in case you want to add more layers and use a thinner paper, I think that's going to look really nice as well. I used 4 layers, one of them, the last one being just the plain one, and then together, look, it's such a perfect bookmark. Yeah, we made it, guys. Thank you for watching.